Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today I'm making a video of this 52-inch Harbor Breeze Aero ceiling fan that's installed in my grandfather's house in his room. There used to be twins of these in the house, one in his room and one in my sister's room. Sadly, the one in my sister's room got replaced by a Hampton Bay Ralston, and this one still remains here. And it does come with the remote, because it's controlled by a remote only. This is not the original light kit. Remote. The original remote, it wasn't working properly, so he put in this remote in. And started the light kit. It does have a dimmable LED in there. And start with the low speed. Now, if you're wondering if these fans are good, these Aeros, I never owned one in person, but they absolutely put a good amount of air. And no, I did not click on medium, I clicked on low. So this fan is confusing, and it does have a fast low too. I'm really impressed. Anyway, here's the light with it on low. Now we're going to move you to medium. And this fan does have a slight hum. And here's medium. Like I said, it puts a really good amount of airflow. It is fast on low and medium. So I'm really impressed with this fan. Here's the light again. And we'll do high. Don't mind the background. So, it's a really good fan. And this fan is in black, so it's reversible to cherry to black. Alright, then I'm going to put the fan on low. Alrighty, this is the video of the 52-inch Harbor Breeze Aero, and thanks for watching.